Hey guys, welcome back to Truberbrook, part 6. So let's just jump right into it. We finally got the boat fixed and now we're on some island in the middle of the lake.
Beverly, I took a paddle boat and ventured forth towards the final frontier of this region, a forlorn swamp of ancient origin. On my way, I came across the mortal shell of a lost wanderer. Whether he was led astray by a wisp or fell victim to this region's mythical beast, the Hook Elf, remains a mystery to be disentangled.
Hook Elf.
I can only hope to be spared of such misfortune.
Let's see if he had anything on him. Only if it helps to clear his identity, of course. An old rusty key.
What the heck is that? Bones?
Beverly, I now stand right in front of the legendary Truberbrook specimen. This close, I find it all the less surprising people here have cultivated the myth of a sea monster.
Let's whistle. I wonder what that does. I know they come.
No trespassing. Sensational discovery. Signed, the Paleontological Society of Truberbrook.
Don't tell me what to do, Paleontological Society. That is kind of morbid, though, with the body.
Locked.
It's creepy. Oh god, you can see his, skeleton.
Better stick to the road. As Grandma used to say, when lost and dire in the mire, it's best to it. I forgot. It was something about the way, though. Locked. I wonder what that is.
I guess we're supposed to click on the ominous glowing object.
Oh, I'm not feeling too well.
Oh god, radiation.
Something's glowing green.
Ugh, it's creepy.
Ahoy.
Oh, I didn't realize she was here.
Look who we've got here.
I see you're making good use of those boots.
These boots are made for walking. Thanks again.
My pleasure.
Great
You're
reference.
looking a bit pale, if I may say so. Here, have one of these. They always work for me.
Vitamin pills?
Si, claro. They get the juices flowing and make you look gorgeous. All based on herbal essences.
Thanks.
Oh, that's where we can go to
I have
the
to be going.
diner.
See you later.
Okay, I had to get sick in order to get better to take the pills. Okay. Let's talk to her for a second.
You fixed the boat! How can I ever thank you?
Don't worry about it.
No, I insist. Please take this as a symbol of my appreciation.
This postcard will help me find my way around.
Thanks.
Okay. She gave me a... Wait. What's that?
Truberbrook, County of Brokenlanda, 1 kilometer.
Okay. Yes. We get the trophy now.
Step right up! Step right up! Mister, wanna test your strength again?
Why not?
Yeah! Woo! We got it, you
Wow.
guys.
Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I think we have a new champion. Congratulations! Here, this is your prize.
A leaden trophy. Like a trophy made out of lead.
This one's a real beauty.
Thanks.
Okay. So we got that. See if this works.
The mere thought of cotton candy makes me
Okay, now. Talk to him now?
I just need a moment to reach operational temperature.
Oh!
perfect fit.
Wait. Does that mean her uncle was that guy in the swamp? Oh my god. He's dead. Oh my god, he's dead.
Beverly, I have unearthed the gate to a sealed crypt, the
feel so
cellar of this
bad.
lodge. My descent begins. This is what Professor Lidenbrock must have felt when he climbed down the Snæfellsjökull.
I can hardly see a thing.
Do I need to find like a light or something? It's not letting me go in. Yes, I got it. Now I think we can go down into the basement. I couldn't really go down there, so hopefully this will be what we need. Okay, let's see.
I can hardly see a thing.
Man, that took forever.
Light the way, my friends.
Okay. I wonder what's down here. Nope, go this way. This is gonna take forever. Okay, what is all this?
Truberbrook's finest dry yeast.
Oh,
Truberlager Pilsen beer.
oh, sorry.
Truberlager Pilsen beer. Export. For the snout around the world.
Trash can lid? Oh, shit.
How am I to synthesize alcohol with this?
Trash can lid? Oh. I see anything
Malt?
in the dark. Oh, wait, no, Tannhauser. Oh, here we go.
How am I to synthesize alcohol with this?
So we have yeast and malt now. Oh,
It's
there
a
we
recipe for Bolzenschuss Schnapps. Top secret. Let's see. Fruit, add malt, add yeast, season with a pinch of slumber morel. Dead simple.
Of course, it's simple. Okay. Let's go see if we can... I bet you Truda has it, but we had to find that first.
Truda?
Hello, Professor.
I would like to add...
Oh, yes.
Got a light?
Oh, there
Sure
we go.
thing. Here you go.
Ah, never mind. I'll be leaving then.
Make yourself...
Okay, there we go. We got the light, so now we can go down.
I can hardly see a thing. Light the way, my friends.
Yep, I bet this is gonna be a long video to edit. It seems like I can't do this properly without having to take a break in between, because it takes forever to find all of this. Like, the puzzles in this particular are really hard.
Fire making first.
I have a light.
Fire making first.
Oh, there we go.
The recipe mentions malt for the mash. This looks promising. Only one more ingredient. If only I had slumber morels like they mentioned in the recipe.
Oh, wait, aren't slumber morels mushrooms? Yeah, I think I remember it being mushrooms. Okay, so we gotta go find the mushrooms. Okay, finally. Okay, so I think I'll be able to go do this now. I think I needed 2 trash can lids. Finally.
I can probably walk on water with this.
Yeah, good. Okay, good. Yes, finally.
Ahoy.
I wonder why we're making beer. I mean, I guess it is Germany. Stereotypical Germans.
I can hardly see a thing. Light the way, my friends.
Okay, that took way much longer than it needed to.
Yikes.
What? Tannhauser? What's going on? Do we need to wait? Oh, there we go.
I'm going to take a sample. For
Of
science.
course, for science. The soul's travels, but eventually enters the flesh again. Okay. I don't know what that means. Oh. Wait. What? What is happening? Am I a ghost?
Whoa. That is some mean spirit. Alcohol?
So
Never
I didn't
again.
get drunk.
Wasn't I carrying some cool gadgets in my pockets earlier?
I don't know. Whoa. Whoa.
What the? Wow.
Oh, this is pretty.
God bless, what's this? Did you ever see the likes of it?
What's going on? Where are you heading?
No time to lose. Don't you see the cold front? I have to go to the weather station.
There's a weather station here?
Well, yes. Don't be silly.
What was that?
I have no idea. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I'm guessing chaos theory. Hold on, let's see if there's anything new on the map. Oh, there it is. That's the weather station.
There is no bad weather, only the wrong clothes. I wholeheartedly have to agree with this saying, Beverly. I am standing on top of the Klumpen, apparently the highest elevation within the surrounding low mountain range. If you wanted to, you could describe the clothes that I'm wearing as perfectly unfit for the current weather conditions. After a short walk, I have reached the local weather station.
Okay. Grab the shovel, maybe?
Frozen stuck.
Let's talk to her first.
Hello?
Good morning. I didn't see you at all. Please excuse the frosty welcome. Madonna Lücke. I'm with the Meteorological Society.
Tannhauser. My pleasure. So what are you doing here?
I'm observing the weather.
So anything interesting about the weather?
Well, actually I'm in Truberbrook because the weather here is so inconspicuous. Quite your statistical average weather, if you will. But this afternoon I was thunderstruck. The ordinariness has disappeared.
And now the ice is cracking under your feet?
Exactly. And I'm in a haze how that's even possible.
It's dawning on me what you're trying to say.
Ah, I see. You're slowly falling, huh?
So what's the weather up to these days?
Just look. The weather's gone completely mad. I just can't make any sense of it. How did that go again? When thunder in September rumbles?
I guess this one?
Next year will be woe and jumbles?
Yes, that's it, exactly. Okay, what about, September winds, believe me now?
can spoil the finest Beaujolais Nouveau.
No. Come on. You seem a bit clouded.
For how long have you been out here?
In Truberbrook, you mean? The project is running for 6 months now.
I'll be leaving then.
Of course.
Okay, so we got an achievement, partly cloudy. Okay, interesting. So I guess we talked to her.
It's merely a conventional weather balloon, not a flying saucer.
I also forgot to mention in one part of the video, I got an achievement for telling Truda about her brother. But I didn't record it because I was trying to
The
figure out
tower
how to do
hosts
this.
an impressive array of measuring devices.
Trying to figure out the previous puzzle.
Pardon me, is that helium in your tank by any chance?
Exactly. To fill the weather balloons.
Okay, so...
In Truberbrook, up on the Klumpen top, the art of meteorology is in full swing. The current microclimatic developments in this area seem to have sparked scientific interest.
I prefer to remain on solid ground in this kind of weather.
So... do I have to get it to get warm so I can go up there?
Now this looks cozy.
Let's see...
Hello?
Good morning.
I don't want to rain on your parade, but could I sponge some helium off of you?
Well, helium is extremely valuable, especially
Oh,
up
come
here.
on, lady.
What exactly are you up to?
I want to use it as a coolant.
As a coolant? That would not work at all. You would need to lower its temperature until it becomes liquid.
I think it'll work out all right. Believe me, I know what I'm talking about. After all, I am a physicist. So, could you spare some of your gaseous helium?
I can provide you with some of my helium if you do me a favor in return. Would you mind venturing down to the village and send a telegram to the headquarters? I can't leave here right now, by no means. No one is going to believe me, ever. I'm sitting here, year after year, nothing happens. And then, suddenly, there's a flash. Aurora Borealis in Truberbrook.
In the name of academic merits, I have to help you.
Oh, thank you so much. The guest house down in the village has a telegraph.
I'll try to remember.
Thanks a bunch, Mr.
Tannhauser.
Mr. Tannhauser. Thank you.
Okay, let's see if we can do this now.
Truda?
Hello, Professor.
I'd like to dispatch a telegram on behalf of the meteorologist on the mountaintop to the Meteorologic Society.
Oh, yes, of course. Shoot.
Well,
Let's see. 07... It doesn't... It's smudged. 07... 24?
07204.
10... something... fridge... it's It's gonna have to be 10 something. So 10 something for... it's either one of these. Oh, I'm gonna do the one.
10433.
2200. That's it.
22608. 40018. 18109. 000030. 04103.
Oh, that didn't take long for an answer. Let me read it to you. Data inconclusive. Stop. Please verify all data. Stop. Sensational. Stop.
Thank you, Truda. I will deliver the message at once.
Oh, so did I get it right?
Truda?
Hello, Professor.
Yeah.
I'll be...
Make yourself...
Okay, so I did it right. I wonder what happens if I give him this.
This one is on you, boys.
Exactly what I need. Thanks. Enjoy the show.
Oh, what? The crowd gathers? The show begins? Ah! Okay, maybe I shouldn't have given it to him.
End of the world or not, I can't miss this gig.
Oh, I can kind of get into this.
And I stepped out in the graveyard in search
Also kind of morbid.
for a home. And I found lost in my garden in the graveyard of my dream.
Everybody's here.
I got lost in the forest in search of my ease. And it could be so good, and it could be so fine. And if you help me to forget you, then I'll make you mine.
Oh, what is he doing here? Okay.
There's no way out of your slumber. Your world's in his command, and galaxies are like diamonds in the palm of his hands. The willows are forever weeping.
This is kind of cool.
The woods are dark and deep.
So am I just supposed to wait here till it ends?
You're in a cosmic raffle.
Oh, there's clouds.
Nothing is ever as it seems. And it could be so good. And it could be so fine. And if you help me to forget you, then
that's so cute. This game is really pretty.
The band. They're still playing their sad song. The band. They're still playing their sad song.
Okay. Nothing else I can do? I was just supposed to wait till they end? Oh, I didn't know I could do that. That's kind of cool.
The band.
Come on. I mean, this is kind of cool. Oh, got a light? Got the achievement. Come on. What am I supposed to be doing? I mean, it's very pretty and all, but... Is there something I'm supposed to be doing?
The band. They're still playing their sad.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I mean, this is all very, pretty and... Okay, finally it ended. But that was pretty cool. Then I'll make you mine is the achievement. Okay, let's deliver this telegram.
Hello?
Good morning.
Here's the answer from the headquarters. Data inconclusive. Stop. Please verify all the data. Stop. Sensation? Stop.
A sensation. Did you hear that? That is quite a sensation. Just one more thing, and you can have as much helium as you want. Here. Grab the screwdriver, check on my stations, there are 3 of them, and get me the measurings. Please, I can't leave, by no means.
Where are these stations of yours?
Well, there's one by the lake, another one in the village, near the lookout, and the 3rd is far out in the swamps.
All right.
Thanks a bunch, Mr.
Tannhauser.
Mr. Tannhauser. Thank you.
Okay, so those must be the boxes, but I'm gonna end it here. This is a long episode, and that was really cool, though, the last part of that. The band playing. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really interesting, and I'll keep playing. Peace out. Bye.